In this video, I'm going to show you how to search new filters on your Instagram application on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram, select the plus icon to start creating your story, tap on camera, and here if you swipe left, you see different filters. I like that one, flame on my camera. I swipe to the left and I can select some filters, but how can I look for specific filter that I need? For that, I need to swipe left until the end, and here I see the search icon. I'll tap on that. Here I see effect gallery. I can look on that options like following, reels, Instagram, selfies, love, and so on. Or I can tap on that search icon to look for specific effect that I need if I know its name. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.